I had been looking for a heavy-duty but compact wagon to use with my RV camper when the brand offered to send me this one to try out. I was surprised at how small the box was, but as soon as you got it open, the wagon is pretty much assembled for you, which is nice. Inside, you get the folded wagon frame, the wheels, depending on the model they may already be attached, and any small accessories like a handle or storage cover. The first thing you notice is how compact it is when folded. That's important if you plan to keep it in your car trunk, garage, or in my case, my camper. The frame feels sturdy and the fabric looks thick enough for regular outdoor use. The wheels are large and designed for different surfaces like grass, gravel, and sand, which is one of the key reasons I wanted a wagon like this. One of the most practical uses for a wagon like this is grocery trips or moving items from your car into the house. Instead of making multiple trips, you can load everything at once. I'm looking forward to using this to carry gear from my house to my camper more easily. For gardening, this works well for transporting soil, tools, plants, and yard debris. The large capacity and sturdy frame make it easier to move heavier items without straining your back. This type of wagon is also popular for camping, like I'm going to use it. You can carry coolers, chairs, tents, and gear from the parking area to your campsite in one trip, which saves a lot of time and effort. My friends and I go camping together 1 week a month, and we're typically gathering at each campsite, a different campsite every night for dinner, so this will make it a whole lot easier to carry over my contribution and my chair. This type of wagon is great at a beach or a park, and it's useful for hauling towels, umbrellas, and bags. The larger wheels help when rolling on uneven ground compared to smaller carts. Overall, a collapsible wagon like this is all about convenience. Less lifting, fewer trips, and easier transport for everyday tasks or outdoor activities. If you're considering one, this wagon definitely needs to be on your list to check out. Thanks for watching.